In this video we are going to take a look at this lens, the AstrHori 120mm 2x magnification macro lens. It comes for the common mirrorless mounts, Nikon Z, Sony E, Canon RF and L mount. And what's notable about this lens is it is a pretty long focal length, 120mm. And what that gives you when it comes to macro photography is a longer working distance. When I measured the working distance of this lens, it was 11 centimeters at 2x magnification, which is very long. You might not think it sounds like it's very long, but for 2x magnification it's really good. And of course the working distance will be longer the less magnification you use. It will be a lot more at 1x magnification, for example. And I've tried a few AstrHori lenses in recent years, and so far I have really loved them. They have a winning concept, very low price, combined with good image quality and good build quality. The build quality on this one feels really nice as well. I especially love the aperture ring. The clicks are soft, but they feel very, very nice. They feel expensive. And they are evenly spaced and so on. So really nice aperture ring, feels really good. Focusing ring also feels good. What I don't like about the build of this lens is that it is very, very heavy. You can see here on screen exactly how heavy it is. So it is it's just a very heavy lens, and you will notice that if you use it. That is, I think, my main complaint about the build of this lens. It works as most other macro lenses that can focus anywhere from infinity to a high magnification. It works like this, that when you turn the focusing ring, the main element group inside here just moves back and forth depending on where you're focusing. So when you focus to infinity, you have it here, and when you focus to 2x magnification, it comes all the way to the front. And this is of course a fully manual lens, no electronics in this lens whatsoever, but that also enables it to be a cheap lens. The price that AstrHori said they would sell this for is $369. So that is a very low price for a macro lens that goes to 2x magnification and that has a long working distance. It covers full frame, but you can also of course use it on smaller sensors. The only difference is that the magnification will look even bigger the smaller sensor you use. I had one major problem though when I was trying this lens outdoors, and that is that it's not actually able to focus to infinity, not my copy at least. When I set the focusing ring to infinity, it focuses around 15 to 20 meters and not to infinity. So that was really annoying because I took this with me on a morning to do some landscape photography. It's pretty hard to do nice landscape shots when you can only focus to 15 meters in front of you. I think this is just probably bad quality control. That is what you get when you cut corners and when you try to make a cheap lens. I am sure that most of you who order this lens will not have this issue, because likely they will fix it after they see this video, or try to fix it at least. And maybe I was just unlucky, but it says something about how terrible or non-existent the quality control is when they send a review copy to me that is not able to focus to infinity. And why is it not able to focus to infinity? Yeah, probably it's just not that well calibrated. Some manufacturers like Laowa that make similar lenses, they actually have the ability to focus a bit beyond infinity. And when I ask them why they do this, because it seems strange, they say that that is because otherwise you might easily run into this problem. When the lens is not properly calibrated, it might stop before infinity, and then you have a lens that is yeah, pretty much unusable for other things than macro photography. But luckily this copy was very much usable for macro photography. I did a bit of a sloppy review here, so I don't have a ton of sample photos, but I did take some controlled indoor sample photos of my insect friend here. This is actually not George, this is George's body. George had an antenna broken, so I took his body instead. And what I did was I first shot the Laowa 85mm, which is one of my favorite macro lenses. I shot it at f8. And then I took exactly the same shot with exactly the same camera settings, the same lighting and everything on the AstrHori at f8, just to compare the sharpness. And I would say that both the Laowa and the AstrHori are perfect in sharpness at f8 at 2x magnification. It really looks excellent. I also did some test shots on a white label of a pen here at 2x magnification to see if we could see any chromatic aberration. None whatsoever. It looks excellent. I also did a bit of testing at f2.8. Of course, it's really hard to test f2.8 at high magnifications because you would have an incredibly small depth of field, but from what I can see from the small parts that are in focus, this is very sharp, and I would say that the optics are really good in this lens, except that it cannot focus to infinity, at least my copy. So, who is this lens for? I would say that it is for anyone who wants to get a high magnification macro lens with the best possible working distance while being at 2x magnification. Sure, the difference is not huge between this and, for example, the Laowa 90mm. I mean, the working distance difference is not more than maybe 20-30%. But it still is a difference, of course. And this lens is also for people who don't mind having a very heavy lens, because this is, for me at least, this would be a huge issue if I would use this on the daily, because yeah, it's just very heavy. Other than that, it is a great value for money if you manage to get one that does not have the issue with infinity focusing that mine has. Then I would say $370 for this lens is very good value for money. And even this lens that is not able to focus to infinity, if I would only buy it to do mostly macro and close-ups, then that doesn't matter. And then it is still very good value for money. You get excellent optics for a low price, you get high magnification, and you get a good working distance. So yeah, that's I think all I have to say about this lens from AstrHori. And if you saw my previous video on this channel, you might be wondering, will Micael do any more videos on the macro channel now after the AstrHori review video is done? And my answer to you is that I'm not sure. So far I really like working on my new channel. It is a humbling experience to begin from scratch with no subscribers and no views. But I still find it very fulfilling and freeing. I love working on my new channel. So I will continue doing that for a while. And when and if I get the urge to do some photography again, to talk about photography again, I will make new videos on this channel. And I think it will probably happen at some point, but that point is not quite yet. So see you again someday, I hope. And if you can't get enough of me, yeah, just go check out my other channels. I have one on health and one on life in general. And bye bye.